Okay, this is the end of this restoration. Here's the front of it. We'll do a walk around a minute. "24-foot pontoon. Only thing we used were the handrails, actually, from the original pontoon. We had to get different tunes. So it is, after everything's been cleaned up and restored, it is technically a brand new pontoon. The owner wanted it all open concept. The new bimini top. Place to lay out and enjoy the sun is now on the back of the boat. And that is it. Mr. Todd has been very happy with it. It met his expectations. Thank you for watching my video.